boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's 5-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, my friends. I'm an author, researcher. I put it in black and white, my friends. I give you these baby knockouts, which are microcap stocks that have the ability, something special about them, my friends, that our research indicates that they can really be dominant and they can be the leader in a certain sector. And they're at very, very low prices. I'll give you some examples. Take an example of Hut 8 in Bitcoin area, my friends. That was a good one. Take an example of Canopy Growth early on. That was a good one, my friends. It went up to like $60 for us. Some of our uranium stocks have done exceptionally well, my friends. We were in Paladin at 3 and 4 cents, guys. So we know these companies. When we do our research and we do our homework, we get these companies to you super duper early, my friends. But my friends, I want to tell you today, this is Give Thanks weekend, my friends. Week of Give Thanks, my friends. And I want to thank all of you. Help you have a great Thanksgiving with you and your family and everyone, man, my friends. I want to thank you guys for all you do for The Scoop. You know, I don't take you for granted. You guys are number one in my book, man, for years and years. Some of you, it's like we're brothers and sisters, you know, that you're my family. And I love all of you. My friends, a couple notes here. Had Johnny, happy birthday. My son-in-law today. He's the ripe old age of we won't say his age. He looks so young and you know, with such energy. You know, you get your energy from him. You know, but my friends, also we have a special guest. We would like to. It'll be his first time on The Scoop. JT in Los Angeles. You've heard me say JT. He's been the one that's been helpful with the altcoins, and he's a big Ethereum holder. He was early on with Ethereum, so he's been a big believer and been accumulating that for a long time. And we anticipate that he may have something good for us. You never know when you talk to people. I'll run across him, and he's going to be in Vegas for a conference. So maybe I'll have 5 minutes with him or something, 10 minutes or something. But maybe he's got something good for us. You guys that like the Bitcoin and the altcoins, he may have something for us. That's a treat. That's our Thanksgiving treat, my friends. My friends, what's going on out there? You guys remember this time last year? And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. Like and share these videos. Thank you for giving me the input, my friends, the feedback from the last video where I was talking about a touchy area, guys. This, the indigenous rights, the rights of the natives. There's my call. Sorry about that, guys. There's my call. And I'm going to be dealing also, guys, with the sound of freedom. Hear those fighters behind me? They're practicing. I told you they were practicing for some things that may be going on later on. I have no knowledge of any pending war or anything like that, guys. So please don't ask me. But there's been a lot of practice going on, my friends. But the last, you guys gave me my 100 likes. Thank you very, very much, my friends. You know, let's keep it going. Let's get another 100. But it was a touchy area. It was dealing with the natives, the indigenous people that have been run over for years and years. And you guys know it. It can't be denied. I mean, there's been a lot of companies that have done a lot of work in the communities. And it's a lot better than it was 30, 40 years ago, guys, is what I was talking about. But there are still some people out there that think that they're right about everything. Put it that way. That's just the way it is, you know. But I don't like to talk about politics. I don't want to hear anything else about this, you know, because I know how to work with those people like that. But anyway, that's nobody that listens to me on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, twice a week. You guys know what's going on, man, and you know my opinion on some of these areas, my friends. So that's a touchy area, and we don't dive into those areas. Sure, some of the stocks maybe hit a little bit, like right now, this time, remember, I was telling you, this time last year, we were feasting. We were feasting on companies, our Ethereum companies, our Bitcoin was going, I remember it was this week when Pharmacilo blew up from, I think it was maybe, what was it, 30, what did we get in Pharmacilo at? 40 cents or so, 30, 40, 50 cents or something. And it went up to like $2, and now it's come back down. Our Mexico cannabis trade, pew! Why? Because we didn't get any legislation, my friends. I'm not blaming it on the senators and the congressmen and stuff that couldn't get it together in Mexico, the ones that couldn't get it together in America. It is what it is. It's a slow process, my friends. And when these stocks go down, like the uranium stocks have given us, 20%, what do? We reevaluate and accumulate. We're not going to chase these stocks down, guys. We take a look. Let's take a look at the, if they're crashing through their 200-day moving averages and they're going down, 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 and you're seeing a lot of red candlesticks, that may be coming to an end, and that may be a time to look at possibly you and your stockbroker adding additional shares, my friends, in that area. That may be something that you look forward to. Maybe not, my friends. But I will, like I said, I will be giving some of the investing gold today. I'll be giving some of the baby knockouts to my private students here, just in case you don't have the book, Junior Silver Mining Stocks Ready to Explode. Yeah, I'll be giving that information to you. And you guys already have all the baby knockouts, how to invest in uranium now. Some of these stocks are way, way up, guys. You guys know they're up, man, big time on these. And taking some off the table is not a bad idea. I remember when USD, UUUU was around 11 or so, and I told you guys I was taking some off the table because it had gotten mushroomed into too big of a position in my personal portfolio, and I was not comfortable with it. Well, maybe I'll buy it back now that it's gone down a couple dollars. Why not, huh? But at the same time, my friends, it's never a bad idea to take profits. And on the scoop, we do take profits, my friends. I just want to thank you guys again. It's been a great Thanksgiving year. I'll have that video from last year up here on Thanksgiving Day. The last Thanksgiving Day, I just hope my Raiders, who play the Dallas Cowboys on Thanksgiving Day, I just hope they don't I hope they don't lose, put it that way. There's some things in life that may happen, and Dallas got whipped by Kansas City, who whipped us last week. That's 2 weeks in a row I went to football games in Las Vegas. How about that? That's fun. But yeah, it was, my friends. And I don't know, you guys over in other parts of the world, there's a football team in America, a couple good football teams, and on Thanksgiving we'll be watching a little football. You may be watching other television or other entertainment, being out with the family and doing things, my friends. And especially, I wish you great weather. I'll tell you, it is such good weather here in the desert Southwest here in America, my friends. It's really good weather. 75 degrees or so in November around Thanksgiving. You can't ask for anything more, but it's just going to last just a little while, but we'll enjoy it while it lasts, and we love it. Thank you to all my new subscribers, all you new Scoop Team private students. We'll be taking care of you. We'll be catching up with you. We'll hope to give you all those stocks so you can put those stocks on your watch list, my friends. The African uranium super trade right now, it's on, guys. It's on. It never was off. If we get a pullback of 20-25%, reevaluate and accumulate, my friends, because I have a feeling. I've said February. I put my butt out there several months ago, and I said February that we're going to have a big time event in uranium, my friends, in the uranium, and it's going to kick all the uranium stocks up for the most part. But not everybody's going with this party, guys. And I told you, in this second, going into the third inning, my friends, we have to be a little more selective with these uranium stocks. Because remember, the first inning or so, pregame, every stock you picked went up. You know, guys were up 200-300% on junk stocks, and there are still some junk stocks out there. I don't care if these CEOs or these board of directors or whatever, you know, it's not business as usual, and I'm gonna call them out, guys, because I don't want you, just like some of the marijuana stocks. When we looked at the technicals, we looked at the fundamentals, we do better yet, we do physical like we were doing during the back in the day during the .coms. I'm old school, man. I'm gonna knock on the door. I'm gonna kick the door. You know, I want to know what's going on in there. You know, and if we find out that nobody's been paid, the secretary hasn't been paid for 4 months, then you know, and this person, 4 people quit that day. You're not gonna see that in a chart, my friends. They're not gonna show it in their fundamentals also, because they're going. Companies lie. Wait. Enron, companies lie. So, my friends, that and charts don't tell all the story. So that's why we're successful with these baby knockouts, guys. Because early on, we know, we talk to the management. We knock down the doors, man. We find out exactly what's going on. Because I mean, I can, you know, during the .coms, when all the charts were going up, you know, the explosion, who I thought there was, we went years and years of this stuff, man, you know, and some of the companies fell off because there was nothing there. The same thing right now with some of our uranium stuff companies, some of our cannabis companies, some of our gold and silver companies are not exploding like they should be because they haven't found the goods yet, you know. They're drilling, digging, but some of these companies, my friends, are just perennial drillers. Perennial, you know, that's what they do. That's how they make their living, man. Just like I was telling you about the people that make their living doing insider trading. Well, there are people out there that just make their living just drilling, you know, and it's a, you know, it's a sad little secret out there, but it is true. And like I said, this is uranium sector. This is my 3rd uranium bull market, my friends, and I've learned a lot the first 2. And yeah, some of these stocks are going to do well, but some of them are not. And you can tell right now, the ones that are falling back a little bit. They're falling back. Well, we almost found it this time, but we'll find it next time. Give us $25 more million. You give them $25 million. Well, there was a problem here, and we almost got to give us another 25 million. Oh, all we need is $10 more million. Well, there's the dwindling down of your shares, the dilution of your shares, guys. Some of these companies will drill your shares down to 0. That's just the game, man. They don't want you to know this. Nobody's going to tell you this. I'm telling you, I'm keeping it real. I'm keeping it 100, man. That's what I do with my audience. You guys know that, man. And some of these companies, when I give my private students to go ahead to get out of this, I'm going to know that there's nothing there. 0. Not they're drilling. They're drilling on their. Never mind. That's something for another day, guys. But this is Thanksgiving week. And I want you all to be very, very thankful. Those men and women overseas, my friends, in uniform, God bless you. I hope you are able to contact your family and some of your friends. Some of you are, you know, a mile under the water. Whether you're in you're able to get a hold of me and you're in a submarine somewhere 2,000 miles from your family, or you can be in an aircraft carrier on a ship somewhere on the other side of the world. My friends, you're at some Army base or some Air Force base or something, somewhere, you know, you're at a Navy remote site, you know, where you're keeping an eye for us. You're keeping us safe, my friends. We appreciate you. God bless you, my friends. And I hope you and your family are safe and sound here in America or wherever they are in this beautiful world of ours, my friends. I know I have friends all over the world, my friends. My friends in Israel, my friends in Canada, Australia, Africa, my friends all over the Southeast Asia. I love you guys. You guys over in the Philippines, over in Thailand, Oh, I love your You guys keep it going. Keep it going. You're the reason that the scoop. You're the reason that we have, you know, people would laugh. Oh, he only has 7,000. You remember, we're starting over again, guys. Remember when they stopped us before, and then we kind of started over. And I think MedMen had something to do with that, because we were dogging out MedMen, and some of those videos are still out there. Remember those guys were going and buying cars and buying houses and all that stuff? I mean, you know, they all have their own other companies. Some of them have gone to 2 or 3 different companies now and doing the same thing. So it is what it is. That's part of the business, you know. But that's the part of business that I don't like and I'm not part of. But anyways, my friends, look for that video. JT is going to give us a crypto, you know, area, what's going on in crypto. He'll give us a little update of what he's doing. I don't know. He may be doing something off the beaten path. Who knows, man? Because there's a lot out there, guys. Also, like I said, Johnny, happy birthday there. And we will be getting back with you after Thanksgiving, my friends, after Thanksgiving. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Like I said, have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.